Cinemation Regalons presents Story Time with Matthew Lee, Cooking with a Cat, official cat movie merchandise of 2003.
This is the story of Cooking with a Cat, official cat movie merchandise of 2003. You can read along with me in your book. You'll know when it's time to turn the page when you hear this sound. Let's begin now. Look, look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a hook. The cat has a cookbook. We need a tin. Which tin will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot. Not so hot. We take a seat. We start to eat. No, no, no. We do not eat the treat we eat. Do not slop the glop on top. Stop. Stop. Stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop and glop. We eat the treat. A spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding. They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat. That is the end of this story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on my post notifications bell, and request us some more if you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Goodbye.